The Lean Manufacturing System from Unior, a new line of products designed to harness the efficiency of lean production, developed out of Unior's experience building some of the world's most complex machines. Tools are allocated to each worker separately. Travel time is reduced, preparation and planning is more accurate, and an organised workplace is maintained. The LMS has been designed along the 5S methodology, the 5S being taken from 5 Japanese words. Seri, separate. Seitun, organize. Seiso, clean. Seiketsu, standardize. Shitsuke, sustained usage. Unior's lean manufacturing system creates a structured, optimized workflow without losses or bottlenecks. This is a logically connected, circular system. The supervisor allocates a task to workers with clear requirements for tools and parts. The worker then collects the required equipment from storage. 3 storage cabinets with clear windows are available. The document cabinet is for storing documents, plans and drawings. 4 shelves are installed with additional space for measuring tools as required. The charging station provides secure space for the storage and charging of cordless tools, laptops, smart devices and other equipment. The top 2 shelves offer space for charging and each include a bank of 12 mains outlets. A built-in fan ensures ample airflow through the perforated sides. The lower 2 shelves provide storage for tool bodies and accessories. The tray cabinet is specially developed for the storage of tools, with each tray displayed on a 20-degree angle for clear visibility. The portable metal trays are designed to fit Unior's modular SOS tool inserts. The incline of shelves can be adjusted. Each tray can be customized and produced to fit the specific tools required for a workflow. Every tool needed is right at hand and maximum efficiency is achieved. Every cabinet is fitted with a secure lock. Trays and shelves can be easily labelled. Cabinet sides are perforated, allowing the usage of hanging pegs and other accessories. From the storage cabinets, items are placed onto the transport trolley. The transport trolley allows for the movement of 2 tool trays along with materials to the workspace. Tool trays are inclined for easy access and can be extended. The top surface is huge and made from resistant plywood, perfect for working or laying out plans. The lower shelf offers spacious stowage for heavy materials and tooling. Large industrial-grade wheels make for effortless movement of even large loads. The heavy-duty chest of drawers can be used to store heavy parts and materials. With 6 drawers, the unit offers a total capacity of 900 kilos. The 2 topmost drawers take 90 kilos, while the 4 lower drawers take an exceptional 180 kilos on their heavy-duty runners. The final unit in the circular system is the control trolley. Equipped with wheels, the control trolley can be moved from one station to another. Braking wheels ensure a stable working platform. The upper surface offers space for a notebook and papers, along with a docking station for smart devices or phones. The lower area includes 2 drawers and storage space for materials and documentation. The entire system is of standard size and compatible with all other Unior modular products. Tool trays can be interchanged with tool carriages and Unior's modular workbenches. Unior can adjust the system to meet the special requirements of customers. The colour of articles can be changed and a logo can be added. And of course, SOS tool trays can be produced to match the exact tools used in your processes. The lean manufacturing system from Unior, for the industry of tomorrow, available today.